Hi everyone. In this video, we are going to see about Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning Unit 1. In Unit 1, we are going to see what introduction to AI, what are the AI applications, problem solving agents, search algorithms, uniform research strategies, heuristic search strategies, local search and optimization problems, adversarial search, constraint satisfaction problems. First, we are going to see what is artificial intelligence. Here, artificial intelligence is a branch of computer science that focuses on creating machines and software capable of performing tasks that normally require human intelligence. These tasks include learning, reasoning, problem solving, perception, decision making, and language understanding. What are the real-time applications of artificial intelligence? The first one is your healthcare industries. In this, it is used to diagnose the diseases and used for your medical image analysis, patient health monitoring, chatbots for medical assistance. The second one is your education. It is used for personalize the learning platform, automatic grading and evaluation, virtual tutor, and doubt solving systems, student performance predictions. Next applications is here transportation. It is used for self-driving and autonomous vehicle, traffic management and congestion control, ride sharing application, driver assistance system. The third one is yeah, banking and finance. It is used for fraud detection, prevention, credit score analysis, chatbot for customer support, algorithm trading. The fifth application is your smart devices and IoT. The smart home automation, smart watches for health tracking, energy management system, industrial automation. The sixth application is here communication and networking. In this application, they are used to identify the traffic predictions, fault detection in communication system, spam filtering and email classification, voice recognition system. The next application is retail and e-commerce. It is more nowadays is more everyone is using that. It is for product recommendation system, customer behavior analysis, inventory management, chatbot for customer services. Next application is your agriculture. It is used for crop disease detection, weather prediction, smart integration systems, yield production predictions. The next application is your security and surveillance, face recognition system, intrusion detection, cyber attack detection, biometric authentication. The next application is your entertainment and media, content recommendation, game AI, image and video enhancement, music and video generation. Next topic is your problem solving agent in artificial intelligence. A problem solving agent is a type of intelligent agent in artificial intelligence that decides what action to take and for formulating a problem and searching for a sequence of action that lead to form an initial state to a desired goal state. A problem solving agent is an agent that uses the goal based reasoning and search technique to find the solution to a problem by exploring the possible states. This is an example of your problem solving agent. The agent must be acting in a particular environment. The agent has to perform based on their environment actions, and it has to give the perception to the environment. For identifying the action and giving the perception, mainly it needs the sensors. What are the components of a problem solving agent? Initial state, goal state, actions, state space, transition model, path cast. These are the components of your problem solving agent. Then type of searches used in your artificial intelligence. One is your uninformed search. Under that uninformed search, we have a birth first, depth first, and uniform cast search. Informed search, we have a best first search, A star algorithm. Example for your problem solving agent, you assume that you have to find a route for a particular place. So what you have to do, you have to mention your initial state from where you have to start your journey, and you have to mention your destination, that is your goal state, where you have to reach it. Then actions move between the connected cities, and your path costs your distance or a time. The agent search for a shortest path or a least cost path. Then what are the applications of means robot navigation, puzzle solving, game playing, automated planning, pathfinding in a network. For problem solving agent, we need first thing is your percept. The percept is the information an AI agent gets at one instant from the environment using sensors. For example, a robot vacuum cleaner sensor detects wall in front. This is a single input that is percept. Percept sequence. Percept sequence is the history of all the percepts received by an agent over a time. Just one code, but continuous input from start till now. For example, detecting the wall, detect the open space, detect the desk, detect the charging station, all together you called as your percept sequence. For example, for a self-driving car, we have three different sequences. T1 is a green signal, T2 is a pedestrian detector, T3 is your red signal. This is called a full record of a particular person. AI agent means generally your AI agent is an entity that senses the environment using sensors and act on the environment using the actuator to achieve a goal. The simple word you can be say a agent will sense and think and act. So this is called as a AI agent. For example, self-driving car, grocery shop, are called as a simple examples of your agents. An agent is an entity that perceives its environment through sensors and act upon that environment through actuated. Agents are classified into five types as simple reflex agent, model-based reflex agent, goal-based agent, utility-based agent, and learning agent. Simple reflex agent. A simple reflex agent is the simplest form of agent. It takes actions only based on the current percept and ignores the past experience. But the key characteristic of a simple reflex agent is that decisions are made using a current percept only. Does not store a percept history. Works on condition action rules, suitable only for observable environment, no learning or a memory. Simple reflex agent. A simple reflex action is based on the conditional and action rule. This agent follow the if condition, and based on that condition it will give the reaction in the then. So for if the room is dirty, it will clean. This is the condition. If the room is dirty, then the action is here has to clean. For cleaning, what it have to do? It have to go to the next location. For example, vacuum cleaner agent. If the status is dirty, it sucks. Else, if the location is move to the next location. If the moved location is in dirty condition, it will try to clean it, or it will be move to the next location. The limitations of simple reflex agents is a very limited intelligence, no knowledge of past state, cannot adapt to environment changes, fails in partially observed environments, rules set becomes large and difficult to manage. Model-based agent. A model-based agent is an intelligent agent that maintains the internal model of the environment. It uses this model to keep track of the current state of the world, even when the environment is partially observable. A model-based agent is an agent that uses the current percept and past percept history to update the internal state of the environment and then select an action based on this state. Key characteristics are it has a memory and percept history, partially observable environment, more intelligent than reflex agent, can handle the changing environment. Real-time examples are it can be a smart inventory management system is the best real-time example of your model. Next one is a goal-based agent. A goal-based agent is an artificial intelligence. It's a type of intelligent agent that acts to achieve a specific goal rather than just reacting to the environment. Unlike a simple reflex agent, which only respond to the current percept, goal-based agent consider the future consequence of their action to choose the best one that will help to achieve their objective. Very simply, we can say a goal-based agent is nothing but based on the goal, it is going to be reacted. That is called as your Goal-based agent. A goal-based agent selects the action based on whether they help to achieve a desired goal. It uses the knowledge about environment, possible action, and their effort to plan the sequence of steps to reach the goals. Key features are goal-oriented, planning, flexible, and decision-making. The examples in real-life navigation system, there's a Google Map and a grocery robot are the examples of goal-based agent. Next type of agent is your utility-based agent. Utility-based agent selects the action that gives the maximum utility, whether utility is a numerical measure of satisfaction or a performance. It perceives the environment, predict the possible outcome of actions, calculate the utility for each outcome, choose the action with the highest utility. Best examples of your utility based is your self-driving car. So the goal is you are reaching a destination safely. What are the utility factor? It is safety, time, fuel efficiency, passenger comfort. Next one is your learning agent. A learning agent is an agent that can learn from the past action and experience and modify its behavior to perform better in future. A learning agent improves action by learning from the experience and feedback. So this type of agent only going to maintain the past histories. So it is a very good in your real time. So how a learning agent is work? It perceives the environment, takes the action, receives the feedback, learn and update its knowledge, perform better in the next time. The best examples are Google Maps, learn the traffic patterns, and suggest the better routes day by day. Next one is your searching algorithm. The searching algorithms are a technique used by a problem-solving agent to find the sequence of action that lead to from a initial state to the goal state. To find the solution in a state space problem, to choose the best path or a correct sequence of action used in pathfinding puzzles and robotics. There are two kinds of searching. One is your uninformed search strategies. Uninformed search is also called as a blind search strategy or a method that explores that state without any problem specific knowledge about the location of the goal. These strategies use only the information available in the problem definition, namely initial state, action, transition model, goal state, and path cast. Type of informed, uninformed search are birth first search, depth first search, uniform cast search, depth limited search, iterative depending depth first search, bidirectional